Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about the 5 business models that you can make $10,000 a month. I will explain you the pros, cons, also how much time you need for this business, how much budget you need for this business. I will explain all these details in this video. The first business model I want to talk about is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that you can sell products without inventory. Okay, first you need to create a website and you need to find a supplier and add these suppliers' products to your store. And when customer make a purchase, then supplier will send this product to your customer. Okay, you don't need to handle with inventory or delivery. They will do it for you. So the pros about this business, you can start dropshipping business with a low budget because as I said, you don't need to buy products in advance. You just need money for advertising. The dropshipping business is easier to start compared to, for example, branded e-commerce because you don't have your own product. You work with suppliers products. That's why it's much easier. And there are many product options that you can sell. For example, you can test different products. If one of them didn't work, you can test another one. So there is no limit for the products. That's why it's a pros for this dropshipping model. And the cons about this business, your profit will be low because of the high competition. You need to be careful when you select your product. Make sure your product is not saturated or there is no big competitors for your product. And you don't have any control over your products because supplier will take care of this. Only thing you can do, you can talk with supplier and they will do a branded package for you so you can make it a little bit better. If you want to start dropshipping business, you need around like $500 minimum, I think, and you need this money for advertising because if you want to create a store, you can do it just $1 a month, and you can find the link from the description below. Of course, it will be better if you have more, but for beginning, at least it's enough to test a couple products. And you need 2 4 months for being successful in this business model. Don't forget, everything takes time. The second business model I want to talk about is print on demand. With print on demand business, you can sell custom products. For example, it could be a t-shirt or frame or mugs, like anything you can sell with this business model. And again, you don't need to worry about inventory or product design or shipping. They will do it for you. So the pros about this business model, you don't need to worry about the inventory cost. It's free. They will do it for you. You have many product options again, like you can even sell different products at the same time. You can sell same design with different product. For example, so you can put your logo on mugs, on t-shirts, or anything you want. And you can start this business model with low budget because you will need money only for advertising and for influencers promoting your product. And the cons about this business model, you will take low profit because these print on demand products are a little bit expensive compared to, for example, dropshipping products because they will care the design, printing, inventory, packaging, shipping, everything for you. That's why it will be a little bit expensive, and also most of them has good quality. And again, you don't have control on the product quality. And for some products, there are saturated markets. For example, if you want to sell t-shirts, there are many websites that doing same job as you. For example, I advise you to start frame niche with the print on demand because there is no high competition in this business model. So you can try frame business. You will need between $500 to $2,000 for this business model, especially for marketing, for ads, and also for influencers. Because let's say you want to sell custom hoodies or hats, then you need to promote this with influencers because there are many other brands on the internet. So you have to use these influencers to show the customer so they will trust you more. They will make purchase from you. And you need around 3 to 6 months for being successful in this business model. The next business model is Amazon FBA. Most of you probably heard about it. It's a business model that you can source products and send to Amazon. So they will handle the packaging, shipping, inventory, everything for you. And also your products will be eligible for Amazon Prime. And the pros about this business model, you will have access to Amazon customer base. They will handle the inventory for you, everything, as I say, the packaging, shipping, everything. you don't need to worry about it. And also the prime eligibility can boost your sales. The cons about this business model, there is a really high competition inside the Amazon. That's why you need to make sure your ad budget is really good so you can promote your products very well. And also Amazon can suspend your account easily. It's little bit difficult to follow their policy, and the fees for example storage, shipping, it's little bit high compared to other business models. For this business model you need around $5,000, especially for products and for the marketing ads. As I said, they are really high competition. That's why make sure your ads budget is good, and you need 4-6 months to be successful with this business model. And the next business model is selling info products. What I mean by that, for example, you can create and sell online course, ebooks, or any digital downloads. And the pros about this business model, there is a really high profit because there is no cost actually. You just need to spend your time to create product, and that's why there is a really high profit. You can sell your products for expensive price, and you can turn this business into a passive income. That's also pros for this business model. And the cons about this business model, you need to spend really good time for creating content, creating your course or any digital content. So that's why make sure you spare really good time for this business model. And also you will need to have really good marketing skills to promote these products, because there is a competitive market also for this business model. Make sure you run good marketing campaigns. You need around $500 for this business model to start, because you don't need product costs. As I said, you just need to spend your time, and you need money just for advertising. And between like 2-3 months you can be successful in this business model. And the final business model is affiliate marketing. So what's affiliate marketing? You can sell other people's products or service on your social media or on your blog or on your YouTube channel, like anywhere you want. You will just need to promote their product and take your commission. It could be a physical product or digital product. It's up to you. You can start with whatever you want. So the pros about this business model, you don't need to create a product. You can sell other people's products. You can also turn this business model to a passive income if you set up your social media marketings very well. And you will have like many product options because you can sell whatever you want. It's up to you. And the cons about this business model, you will need to build a really good audience on your social media or whatever you promote your product. So that's why it will take a little bit time. And also the commission rate is not same for all business, because some of them can give you low commission, but some of them can give you really good commission. That's why it changed a little bit. For this business model you will need $500 to $1,000 for investing, and this investing will go to your marketing because again you will need to worry about the product creation, and you can be successful in this business model within 2-3 months. So guys, that's all for today's video. The time and the budget that I told about this business model, it can be different. It depends on you, it depends on your work. For example, if I say 2-3 months, you can be successful even in 1 month or even in 6 months. So it depends on you, depends on your work. If you work hard and smart enough, you can be successful with any business. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe the channel, and you can find more useful videos in the future.